Hey, welcome back to my channel. Today is Wednesday, and Wednesday you meet me here on my Yaluna Corazon channel. Today is not a project video, but it's the video that I think is so important for you to learn these tips, because making crochet project is not enough to finish the project, but learn the tips on how to make it look super neat, especially at the edges. Look at this. Look at the edge of this work. Oops. I just learned this myself, and I feel like, oh my god, this changed the whole game of crocheting. You see here is super neat. I want to show you also the one that I did differently, and I do that just to show you when you do double crochet in the traditional way. You will start the row with chain 3, and then the pattern will ask you to skip the first stitch and count that your chain 3 as the stitch. But I didn't like it so much, and you can see already in my previous video on my patterns, I always said chain 3 to use as the build up the yarn but not count as the stitch, because I really don't like this. Look at this big hole here. What is that? When you skip, you have this big hole over there, and I don't like it. I don't like the big hole in the front. Although I make like this just to see the difference when I finish the whole piece, because I will show you different anywhere in the written pattern. And when I film another piece of this one, I will show you the way that I think is the best way to do. But of course, you can choose which way you want and just do what you feel good. But I just want to show you this new method that I'm super excited. Are you ready? Let's dive into it. Okay, my friends, so grab the hook and yarn and let's do this small swatch together so you know how to do it. Just make chain of 12 plus 3, because we're going to do a small swatch of 12 double crochet. And this video brought to you by lovecrafts.com. Lovecrafts.com sponsored this video for you so that you can learn these tips. After you got plus 3, then you block off that stitch and you add double crochet in 4th chain from hook and double crochet in each stitch across. At the end of this row, you should have 12 double crochet. And so we have now row 1 of these 12 double crochet, and the traditional way that we all learn is to chain 3, turn out work, and that chain 3, the traditional way, like us to call that as double crochet and skip the first stitch and just add double crochet in each stitch across. I have been doing that also in the past, but I don't like it. Look at that. Look at that big hole over there. You see? When you skip the first stitch, that is what happened, and I don't like it. So we take it out and now we're gonna do this instead. We're going to chain 1, turn the work, and you're going to add single crochet in that first stitch. And you can see now you have kind of 2 loops over there. Close up, have a look. You see? And what you have to do is to add now single crochet in where the white arrow pointing to. So add 1 single crochet there, and voila, this one we're going to count it as double crochet. And now you're going to add 1 double crochet in each stitch across until the end of the row. And this you might call foundation single crochet, whatever you may call, but this is what I'm going to do for the beginning of the row from now on, because I just love the result of this one. And you live, you learn, you crochet, you learn from mistake and the process. So if you really like this method, just go ahead, adapt this into your work, your design, and anything that you do. I think this will make your work neater than traditional way of double crochet. Okay, let's have a look together. So here your row 2, this is how it look of your, row 2 of 12 double crochet. Let's do one more so that you can see again how we do it. Chain 1, turn the work, the first stitch, add single crochet, and again we have 2 loops over there. You add single crochet in the loop on the left side, and that you count 1 double crochet, and now you're gonna add 1 double crochet in each stitch across. And don't forget the last stitch there. This is your number 12 double crochet, which is the first double crochet from last row. And voila! Woohoo! Do you like it? Let me know in the comment below right now if you like this method, and also share with us what you think about it. And if you have any question around crochet tips and tricks that you want me to answer for you to make a video, something like this, just let me know in the comment below, and I will create the content to share with you. And this way we can learn and grow together. And come and join us in our Facebook group. You will love it there, Crochet Tribe Maya Luna Corazon. I put the link under this video as well. Thank you so much for your love and support, for like this video and subscribe to my channel. This way you let me know, and you also let YouTube know that you learned something from this channel. This way you help the channel to be able to produce the free contents to share with you. Thank you so much lovecrafts.com for sponsoring this video. We are grateful for your love and support as well. So guys, have a look at lovecrafts.com. You don't want to miss this big July sale. Alright beauties, see you next Wednesday. Bye bye.